What is up, YouTube? It's your girl Kiora Tashay, back with another video for you guys. Welcome for the people that is new to my channel. Welcome, and I hope that you are subscribed, and for the ones that's returning that has been subscribed to me, hey guys, just want to say that I love you guys and for all the support that you have given me from my first video to becoming monetized. That means a very lot to me because I have worked so hard on it and I have supported myself. And even though to some people that's been doing YouTube for a while, it may not be a lot, but to me, when you hit a certain amount and you work so hard for it, you've been patient. I've been saying my goal was 1,000 subscribers for a while, and I was like, I'm gonna get to it. I'm gonna start being consistent, just finding things to talk about, you know. And I finally gotten there, so now I just have to find my niche of what I really want to discuss with you guys. So in today's video, I just want to talk about my soft lock journey, the locks that I had. If you watch my last 2 videos, I will put them up in the links for you to click on to view. I had soft locks and I had them in for 2 months, or 2 months and 2 weeks if to be exact. I loved them. Like, when I first got them, they were very long. I got them extended. Like, I got them very long. I'm gonna show you guys a clip of how long they were, and they were cute, and I wanted to do something different because I haven't had my hair done since I had them knotless braids. And you know, usually I go at least 1 or 2 months without getting my hair done, because when you're natural, you need to give your hair time to breathe, your scalp to breathe. You just need to nourish it and take care of it, and you know, just be able to rock your hair. You don't have to get your hair done all the time, you know what I mean? Most females do that and they don't give their self time to kind of relax and give their hair a break. And your hair needs a break, or it's like you're defeating the purpose of it growing. Or at least with my hair journey, I went pretty much almost a year without getting my hair done because my hair wasn't really long enough. At least I felt it wasn't long enough, and if I would have got it done at a certain length, I would have put strain on my hair. So I was just like, I want to wait till my hair gets a certain length, that I'm taking care of it, that I'm managing it how I'm supposed to before I get another hairstyle. You know what I mean? Just tell you guys my experience with them, if I like them, the maintenance. Y'all, if y'all just knew, if y'all had knew the struggle that I was going through taking them things out in the bathroom. I was literally on the phone with my boyfriend for a while. I was on the phone with him pretty much the whole time. It never takes me that long to take out no hair. It was just those locks. I think because I didn't know how to, and I had to go on YouTube to find a way to take them out. It was kind of difficult for me because I'm used to just taking out braids and then that's it.
But you have to unravel them and then pull the plait that was braided out and then unloose the knot and then take it out.
And then the build up, oh my gosh, y'all. Everybody was telling me to keep them in for another month. I said, ooh, I'm so glad that I did not keep them in longer than what I did.
When I looked at my build up, it was so horrible. It was so dirty. It was brown.
I'm gonna insert some clips for you guys of how bad it was. Like, I just could not keep those in. I cut them short, you know, because I was going to take them out that day, but then I didn't, and I showed my coworkers and everything, and they was like, girl, keep that in, it's cute, short. My best friend, Jocelyn, she told me to keep it in for another day too, so I was just like, okay, I'm just gonna keep it in. And then I took them out the next day. But they were really cute. I loved them, and you know, that was the hairstyle I got done before I went back home to Fort Lauderdale. One thing, they do get a little tangly, like when you have them in ponytails or certain styles, they kind of get, because of the Cuban hair that's wrapped around it. Once you put when they crochet the lock in, gets tangly, and then it starts to kind of like pull up and pull down, and it was a little annoying, but it wasn't like really that bad. Soft locks is very different compared to other locks because they really don't weigh a lot. That's one thing I can say. They were really light and they were extended. Most hair that you get long would be heavy on your head, but because they were light, and that's why I really liked them, because I didn't have to worry about any strain. I could move my head around when I first got my hair done. You know, she did them a little tight, but it wasn't like tight. But my hair, I can say, y'all, my hair, my new growth within them 2 months and a half, my hair grew a lot. Like, y'all, my hair is almost to my nose, or pretty much is to my nose. Last time I remember my hair being to my eyebrow, y'all, or above my eyebrow, and like right here. So within them 2 months, my hair grew. I noticed that when you get a lot of new growth, if you want to keep your new growth, you have to be careful of how you're taking your protective styles out, because you can lose all that new growth in a quick second. You know what I mean? And what I do when I'm done taking out my soft lock, my braid, or whatever I'm doing, I go piece by piece, and luckily my hair was already separated, so I detangled as I go. Once I took it out, I detangled. I didn't detangle after I took all my hair out. I feel like it's pointless if you can do it as you're going. So when all you have to do is wash your hair and deep condition it, because you already pretty much detangled it. What I do is with the buildup, I put in my spray bottle, I would put like some black castor oil or tea tree oil, whatever oil that you like to use for your hair. I would put that, a little bit of leave-in condition, and then water. Shake it up really good, and I would spray it on the buildup that I had after I took my protective style out, and I would rub it in so it can kind of moisturize the buildup to break it up a little bit. Because if you comb your hair out dry, girl, you're gonna mess your hair up, and you're going to damage it, and you're gonna lose all the hair that you've grown. 2 months or however long that you keep your hair in, your hair sheds. It's natural. Don't feel bad. Don't feel like, oh, my hair is falling out. It's natural. My hair did that. I had a lot of shedding because your shedding was stuck into a protective style for so long, so it didn't get to shed how it's supposed to, as if your hair wasn't out. So yeah, I did that, but I made sure I was able to detangle my hair the proper way. I never detangle my hair dry. For me, that's a red flag. I never detangle my hair dry. Like, I just don't feel like that's good. I feel like when your hair is damp and dry, when you're in the shower and you washing your hair, you tangle your hair in the shower, right? Because that's the best time to do it, while it's loosened enough for you to be able to manage it how you want to. You know what I mean? When I did my twist out, I used the detangling brush. And this is the second day of my twist out, so it's still cute, y'all. It's still cute. My little curls. My hair is getting really thick, y'all, and sometimes I'll be like, man, I went through so much trying to grow my hair, and it's growing so healthy and so pretty. Like, it just looks so healthy, and it doesn't look dry. It's soft, you know. Your hair takes time, and you have to train your hair. All natural, baby, and that's what us women need to understand. It's to be okay with wearing your natural face, your natural hair, you know, everything, you know. But yeah, so I did that, and after I did that, I really deep conditioned my hair, y'all. I deep conditioned it so good. I put like a little bit of aloe vera juice, some black castor oil, some olive oil, avocado oil. When you have a protective style in your hair like that for so long, you need to deep condition your hair. But I deep condition every time I wash my hair. So every week that I wash my hair, I deep condition. So that was nothing new to me. I just know I just put more products in because of how long my hair was sitting out without being taken care of, you know. And I'm starting to try to wash my hair maybe twice a week, but no more than 3 times. No more than 3 times, because you don't want to really dry your hair out. But I've gotten a lot of new growth, y'all. Like, my hair has gotten long. Seriously, like, it's gotten long. Like, I can literally pull my hair now, you know. And it's thick, it's full. Like, I love that. I love it. So, yeah, I would recommend getting the soft locks. So just make sure you do your research on them and make sure that that's something that you want to deal with once you take them out, because I like the fact of getting my hair done because I don't have to deal with it. You know what I mean? Like, it's something that I don't have to worry about. I can just get up, go to work, you know, do what I need to do, and just do my edges. I didn't have to, and just moisturize my scalp and on my scalp. I didn't have to literally do anything to it, comb it out, nothing. My hair is grown. I'm so ready to show you guys this journey with my hair. I just wanted to come on here and just update you guys of the length and how thick it's getting, and just my experience with the soft locks. Like, you know, for ones that's debating on getting them, or, you know, whatever the case might be, I just wanted to make this quick update video for you guys. If you have any questions, please comment them below in the comments. Like, comment, and subscribe to your girl channel. I love you guys, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye.